Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into 10 essential life care tricks and tips that will help you lead a healthier, more vibrant life. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your mental well-being, or just find some practical advice on living well, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how simple changes can make a big difference in your health and happiness. First up, let's talk about the foundation of good health: a balanced diet. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. To keep it running smoothly, you need the right fuel. A balanced diet means eating a variety of foods in the right proportions. This includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Why is this so important? Well, a well-rounded diet keeps your energy levels high, supports a strong immune system, aids in digestion, and helps manage your weight. Here's a quick tip. Try to fill half your plate with veggies and fruits. Choose whole grains over refined ones and include sources of lean protein like chicken or legumes. Next, let's move on to exercise. Regular physical activity is like a magic elixir for your body. It strengthens your heart, boosts your mood, helps manage your weight, and keeps your bones and muscles strong. Think of exercise as a vital part of your daily routine. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or hiking. Start with achievable goals and gradually challenge yourself more. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week and mix it up with strength training and flexibility exercises. Let's not forget about sleep. It's the time when your body heals and rejuvenates. Good sleep enhances your memory, mood, and physical health. Think of sleep as your nightly repair session. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, create a restful environment, dark, quiet, and cool, and limit screen time before bed. Establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Stress management is another key to a healthy life. Chronic stress can take a toll on your health, but managing it effectively can make a world of difference. Think of stress management as your toolkit for maintaining balance. Try mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing. Regular physical activity also helps. Connect with supportive friends and family, and make sure to carve out time for activities you love. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's vital for your body's functions. Water aids in digestion, keeps your skin healthy, and maintains your energy levels. Imagine water as the lubricant that keeps everything running smoothly. Make sure to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. Listen to your body's signals and eat foods with high water content like cucumbers and watermelon. Keep a water bottle handy to stay hydrated throughout the day. Preventive healthcare is about staying ahead of potential issues. Regular checkups and screenings can catch problems early and keep you on the path to good health. Think of it as your proactive approach to wellness. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Stay up to date with vaccinations, and be aware of any family health history. Follow preventive measures and stay informed about your health. Healthy relationships are crucial for emotional well-being. Strong connections with others can reduce stress, enhance happiness, and provide vital support. Think of your relationships as the support network that enriches your life. Communicate openly with those close to you. Prioritize spending time with loved ones and seek support when needed. Set boundaries to maintain healthy and balanced relationships. Mental health is just as important as physical health. It affects how you think, feel, and handle stress. Caring for your mental health contributes to overall well-being and happiness. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Stay connected with supportive people and practice coping strategies to manage stress. Developing and maintaining healthy habits is essential for long-term wellness. Think of habits as the building blocks of a healthier lifestyle. Quit smoking if you do, moderate your alcohol intake, and practice good hygiene. Create routines for meal planning, exercise, and self-care to make healthy living part of your daily life. Finally, let's talk about lifelong learning. Continuing to learn and grow keeps your mind sharp and engaged. It's like feeding your brain with new knowledge and experiences. Read regularly, take courses, and engage in hobbies that challenge your mind. Stay curious and open to new experiences throughout your life. And there you have it, 10 essential life care tricks and tips for a healthier, more fulfilling life. By focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, hydration, preventive health care, healthy relationships, mental health care, healthy habits, and lifelong learning, you can set yourself up for success. Start with 1 or 2 tips and gradually build on them. Remember, every small change can lead to significant improvements. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Here's to a healthier you.